In today's digital world, businesses need effective marketing strategies to reach their target audience. One such strategy is digital marketing, which utilizes various online channels and platforms to promote products and services. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a crucial role in improving a website's visibility in search engine results. By optimizing content and structure, businesses can drive organic traffic to their websites. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable and relevant content to attract and engage the target audience. By providing useful information, businesses can drive profitable customer action. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer great opportunities for businesses to build brand awareness and connect with their audience. By creating engaging posts and interacting with followers, businesses can promote their products or services effectively. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, is a popular form of online advertising. By paying for each click on their ads, businesses can drive targeted traffic to their websites and increase conversions. Email marketing is an effective way to nurture relationships with customers. By sending targeted emails, businesses can provide updates, promote products or services, and keep their audience engaged. Influencer marketing leverages the influence of individuals or content creators in a specific niche. By collaborating with them, businesses can reach their engaged audience and promote their products or services effectively.